Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman, from Faculty of Pharmacy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today discussion about a glyconeogenesis of different type of step, reaction, and significance. Now, glyconeogenesis is a production of glucose from the non-sugar or non-sugar precursor. Glyconeogenesis mainly occurred in the liver, involved in the synthesis of glucose from compound that is not carbohydrate. When a cell is low on hexose, such as glucose, obtain the glucose or polysaccharide synthesis, there is no problem. But when the cell is low on the other carbon compound, the glucose must be synthesized. This process is called gluconeogenesis. Gluconeogenesis uses phosphoenol pyruvate, which is one of the intermediate of glycolysis. In the starting material of traveling backward from the glycolytic pathway from glucose. However, it is involved several enzyme steps do not occur in glycolysis. Glycolysis is not a general. It is not a general by the simple separate glycolysis alone. The major precursor, this is the major precursor of glycolysis is lactose. Which type of what is the major what type of major molecule? It's the lactose and amino acid is a major compound. Which type of the amino acid? Pyruvate. And which type of amino acid and lactate? It's the pyruvate and TCA cycle intermediate. Glycerol, and which is the form of DHAP, DAP, is a synthesis of one molecule of glucose and two molecules of lactose. Not a lactose, but lactate. It's a required for enzyme, required for energy, or equivalent to the above 6 molecule of ATP. Now in here, we know that there is conversion of backward process of glycolysis. It's a reverse process, it is not converted to the glucose to glycogen. It's conversion of glycogen to glucose. What type of the glucose is conversion? It's conversion to the pyruvate to, it's a reversal, phosphoenol pyruvate, then phosphoenol to phosphopyruvate, 3-phosphate glycerate. At first convert to the pyruvate to phosphoenol pyruvate, then 2-phosphoenol glycerate, then 3-phosphoenol glycerate. Okay, then 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. Okay, then is converted to the fructose 6-bisphosphate, and then fructose 1,6-bisphosphate convert to the fructose 6-phosphate, and then fructose 6-phosphate convert to the glucose 6-phosphate, and finally is produce glucose in blood. Location of glycogenesis: liver, kidney, intestine, not in skeletal muscle. The first reaction is the catalyze the pyruvate to pyruvate carboxylase take place in the mitochondria. Therefore, its rest of reaction occurred in cytosol. Step of glyconeogenesis: pyruvate carboxylase is converted to the pyruvate to oxaloacetate in mitochondria. Oxaloacetate is to converted to the malate or aspartate. This is traveled to the cytosol and it is the reconverted to the oxaloacetate. The phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase is converted to the oxaloacetate to the phosphoenol pyruvate. This is the phosphoenol pyruvate form of glucose 6-bisphosphate is reversible the step of glycolysis. Fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted to the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate. Okay, is converted fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to convert to the fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to the fructose 6-phosphate, which is the convert to the glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate to free glucose, which is released in the blood. And reaction involved in glyconeogenesis. Conversion of pyruvate to phosphoenol pyruvate. It's in the liver of pyruvate is conversion of phosphoenol pyruvate. Pyruvate is production the lactose, alanine, and the other of amino acid. The first conversion to the oxaloacetate by the pyruvate carboxylase, a mitochondrial enzyme which is the request to biotin and ATP. Oxaloacetate cannot be directly cross the inner mitochondrial membrane. Therefore, it is a conversion of malate to aspartate, which is the cross the mitochondrial membrane and be reconverted to oxaloacetate in cytosol. As oxaloacetate is a decarboxylated by phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase to the form of phosphoenol pyruvate. This is a reaction of required GTP. Phosphoenol pyruvate is conversion of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by the reversal of the glycolytic reaction. The conversion of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to fructose 6-phosphate. It a fructose 1,6-bisphosphate is converted to the fructose 6-phosphate is a reaction that has released the inorganic phosphate to catalyze the fructose 1,6-bisphosphatase. With the fructose 6-phosphate is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate by the same isomer using glycolysis. Conversion of glycolysis glucose 6-phosphate to the glucose. Glucose 6-phosphate release of inorganic phosphate, which is the produce the glucose free glucose and the enter in the blood. Enzyme involving glucose 6-phosphate is need required for glucose molecule. Okay, the need requirement make a glucose molecule are 2 pyruvate and 4 ATP and 2 GTP and 2 of NADH and 6 of water are needed. Significant glycogenesis made the needed the body for the glucose or sufficient carbohydrate in the not available for the diet or glycogen reserve. Glycogen is stored in adequate tissue in the skeletal muscle converted to the glucose by the glyconeogenesis. However, the storage of glycogen may be not sufficient during the heavy exercise and diet condition, during the fasting, etc. During the shortage of glucose in synthesis by the glyconeogenesis process is controlled by the sufficient of glucose necessary for source of energy, especially for nervous system and erythropoiesis. And the nervous system erythrocytes. And the glycogenesis mechanism used to clearly production of metabolism of other tissue from the glucose. Lactate and production of by the muscle, erythrocytes, and the glycerol, which is the continuously produced by the adequate tissue. Deficiency, different type of deficiency of glycogenesis enzyme leads to hypoglycemia and failure of glycogenesis by the salt in the fetal in the hypoglycemia. Now is briefly discuss about the different type of conversion, different type of step. Now significantly role of the glycogenesis. Glycogenesis is production of glucose from the non-sugar production. So it is which both the hexa position or hexa such glucose is obtained from the glucose from the polysaccharide synthesis of their no problem. But somehow cellular growth and other carbon something, the glucose must be synthesized from the college glycolysis. Glycogenesis is a phosphoenol pyruvate, which is the intermediate of glycolysis. We know that in previous video. In this synthesis, one produces 1 molecule of glucose and 2 molecules of lactose is required for energy equivalent to 6 molecules of ATP. So it's production of reversible. You see that pyruvate is converted to the phosphoenol pyruvate and 2 glycerol phosphoglycerate. It is converted to 4,2-phosphyl glycerate and is converted to 3-phosphate and is converted to 1,3-bisphosphate and is converted to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate and it's also converted to the glucose 6,1,6-bisphosphate to the fructose 6-phosphate, and finally final product is glucose is enter in blood as a glucose form. Gluconeogenesis is happening in our location in gluconeogenesis in different of liver and kidney and adipose tissue. Okay, glycogen is stored in adipose tissue. So final initial state of glycogenesis is a pyruvate carboxylase is converted to the pyruvate to oxaloacetate, which is the it's in the mitochondria. Oxaloacetate is converted to the malate to aspartate, which is travel to cytosol and the reconverter of the oxaloacetate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is carboxykinase is converted to the oxaloacetate to phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate is a form of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate by the reversible step of the glycolysis. Reversible step of glycolysis is a conversion of glucose 1,6 is conversion of phosphoenol pyruvate to the form of glucose fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, which is by the reversible step of glycolysis. Fructose bisphosphate is converted to the glucose fructose 1,6-bisphosphate to the fructose. The presence of fructose 1,6-bisphosphate 1,6-bisphosphate is an enzyme which is convert to the 1,6-bisphosphate to the fructose 6-phosphate. Okay, the glucose 6-phosphatase is converted to the glucose 6-phosphate into the free glucose, which is released in the blood. Okay, so different type of glucose phosphate are converted. Pyruvate also converted to the phosphoenol pyruvate is the reaction involving the glycogenesis. Pyruvate is a conversion to the fast conversion of oxaloacetate by the pyruvate carboxylase is an enzyme which is a mitochondrial enzyme that is required for biotin and the ATP. Oxaloacetate cannot be directly cross the inner mitochondrial membrane. Therefore, it is a conversion of malate or aspartate, which is the cross the mitochondrial membrane and the reconversion of the oxaloacetate in the cytosol. Okay, the cytosol conversion of glucose 1,6-phosphate to fructose 6-phosphate, which the 1,6-bisphosphate is converted to the fructose phosphate is released the phosphorylation process of glucose 6-phosphate. The conversion of glucose 6-phosphate to the glucose. Final process is a glucose 6-phosphate release of inorganic phosphate, which is production of free of glucose, which is enter in the blood enzyme involving glucose 6-phosphate. Glucose 6-phosphate is the need requirement of glucose molecule is 2 molecule of pyruvate, 4 molecule of ATP, or 2 molecule of GTP, and 2 molecule of NADPH, and 6 molecule of H2O. Okay, thank you so much for hearing. Thank you so much.